This is the elevator at Chambers Hall at the University of Pittsburgh at Greensburg in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This is a 90 Schindler elevator with really low pitched chimes. Put the two here go up. Really rattly door. Here are two. Down to one. This GL Adams replacement airlock. It's the blue airlock that these models usually use. That phone box doesn't open to it at all. It's a basic Schindler Westinghouse cab with a tile floor. It's built straight out of the 90s, and so is the elevator. Here are back at one. Still has a bump on it. Here closes and that's gonna be it.